Om Namah Shivaya children. Today we read in the earliest cities. The introduction is man's lifestyle is changed significantly after he learned the art of using metals. Copper was the first metal to be used by men. It was followed by bronze, mixing of copper and tin. When they mix with the copper and tin, then the bronze metal was stronger than the copper. Then people stabilized and cleared the cities and cleared the forest and made the buildings and other things, and they started settled life. The earliest cities in the Indian subcontinent emerged around 4700 years in the region drained by Indus and its tributaries in the northwest. The story of Harappa. When the Britishers were ruling at that time, the British Foundation Hill, while building the railways, at that time they found some bricks, and the people were took that bricks and using in the construction. But when the archaeologists were saw that bricks, then they research about that brick, and they found and excavated the ground, and they found a great civilization was there. That was the Harappan civilization near the Indus and its tributaries. That is also called the Indus Civilization. Here we find the places in the Indian map which areas are in our in the Indus civilization that comes under our country, because some parts, maximum parts are in Pakistan. So which parts are in India? That is Lothal, Rupar, then Dolavira, Rakhigiri. All these areas are in our country. Then the architectural features of the Indus civilization. The architectural features means the Indus civilization was very urbanized, and the buildings, houses, all these are made with the big bricks, and they are divided into two parts. One is the citadel, that is in the western side of the city, and that was also in the upper part, and the other is our the lower town. In the citadel or in the upper part, the great bath, then the granaries and the town halls are in this part. But in the lower town, the houses, streets and drainage system, all these we read in this video. How much developed and organized, and the architectural structure of that time. Then here we see the baked bricks. From this brick, we know that they know about how to bake the brick and build the houses. So all the houses and the buildings were made with this type of brick. Then the great bath. In the great bath, you see the picture here. The great So the great bath was built in the area. The area was fine with the built with the bricks and coated with a plaster, and which is waterproof, and with the natural tile. Both the side steps are here. You see both the side steps are there. Nearby some rooms are also there. It may be for the changing of clothes, and and the water entered to this bath ground by the two wells. That means and two for outlets. One is inlet water and another is outlet water. Here we see the streets of the Indus civilization. The Indus civilization streets are very broad, and that is 10 meters of broad, and by the side the houses are there, and the drains are also covered, and paved with the bricks, and houses were built on either side of the road. Here we see the granaries. Uh, Here we see the granaries. The granaries there are 6 granaries. Granaries means the surplus grains are there stored, and in Harappa there were 6 granaries in that town. Then the drainage system, which was the most developed and system in Mohenjo-daro. The drains were covered, all the houses, bathroom and the kitchens water that should be linked to the main drain, and so each there is the flow of water, and each interval there was a checking point is there, and the drains are covered because the the bad smell should not be come out. Then here we read about the houses. The houses were two, one or two storied, and the houses were mostly one or two storied. The rooms were built around a courtyard, and each house had the bathroom and toilet. Some even had wells. The houses were provided with doors and small windows, and each house had a kitchen and bathroom, and a courtyard is there, and in the courtyard there may be the mortar and pestles are there. Thank you.